Today's going to be a short video of how I'm racking a gallon of mead. First, this is a mead that fermented about 4 weeks ago. It's a Brazilian honey. It's Melo Rio honey. And original gravity was 1120, and I stopped it at 1020. We had a fermentation problem where original pH was 6.5, and about 3 weeks in, it dropped down to 2.8. I had to put some potassium carbonate in and boost it up, and then it took off and finished out. Anyway, I'm spraying some sanitizer on that, on everything. Let's get this going. I have it boosted up because gravity is going to work with us. I'm going to sanitize the heck out of this. All right. Put that in. Although this is 13–14% alcohol, you want to always have it sanitized. So here we go. Very easy. Easy peasy. Anyway, it's racking off, and got 2 half-gallon bottles here. Let's see how it does. Nice and clear. We cold crashed it. No sulfites, no bentonite. Tilting it to get the rest of it. There we go. But we're done. So there you have it. Fully racked off mead. For more tips and insights, check out some of these videos right over here.